Welcome. Coming to give you an update on SUI. SUI currently sits at $1.29, down 3.17%, 3.18%. Had a good push up yesterday on SUI. I think we got next to the range of $1.40 some cent. And we could see we had a sell off. What we had here looks like to me is a liquidation spike. It really pushed up really quick, really fast, and now we're having a major sell off. Went up, hit $1.40 some cent, come back, hit the bottom of the fib retracement down here at $1.2425, and got a bounce. We went back up and got right there at the half, and got a bounce off of that, making a lower high, showing selling pressure coming in. People selling SUI. So I come to give you an update. We could be just cooling off right now from this liquidation spike. Fast as it goes up, sometimes it comes down just as fast, faster, or may take a couple of days. So what we're looking to happen on SUI, we got the whole support to show that this is still bullish momentum that we're seeing on SUI. We're gonna have to hold this support area right here. Hold $1.25 for support, and don't lose this area of support. Even if we come back down and touch it, we could get a bounce. But I do believe that we're gonna break through, and there's a good chance that we're coming back down to the area around $1.18. Not necessarily $1.15, but that's where I got the range, $1.15 to $1.18. So looking for this to happen on SUI. Probably going to see where we come down, hit this support, get a bounce, go back up a little ways, and then we're going to fall and break through this area right here and come down. We're either going to hold right here around $1.20 or $1.21 and go back up and hold that as support again before, as we can see right here, getting back to our next target area that sits up here at $1.40. We could push up to $1.40 up to $1.50. And then if we get above them areas at that time, we could come back and give you an update on SUI. Now, this is one scenario that we could happen, but I do see a pullback before we go in higher. And when we have the pullback, if we can keep the bullish momentum, the volume in on SUI, you can see right here the volume that we had to come in and accumulate SUI during this push up. Well, look at the volume, how it's ramped down. Now we already started. Today's Monday. The market's open today. It's not the weekend on low volume, and volume has decreased. So you might have some people that sold up here that's waiting to get back down here at lower levels. And that's what I think it's going to take to happen for SUI to regain momentum. But we could do something like this, come down and just completely go through the support level at $1.25, kind of come down and hit that 236 there. And try to get back above this, but get rejected, and then come down, then get support and push back up, get above the support, then come back down, and then go much higher. So that's what I see. The two scenarios there, coming with a further pullback on this leg right here and this leg right here, this area right here, getting back up, getting a rejection, and then coming down into support and then moving up. But these are the two scenarios that I see that we have on SUI before we move back up. What's up, son, grandson? So I wanted to come and give you an update on this. Um, Another thing I wanted to bring to your attention is the TVL. The TVL is moving up, as you can see over here. It's moving up. It's at 652.67 million, and just a couple of days ago it was around 500. It's up about 100 million. So you can see the TVL starting to go back up. That's total value locked in DeFi right here on SUI. So we're starting to see a push up on TVL also. But if you like the content, subscribe to the channel. You get over here and you look at the RSI on the 4-hour chart. Got way up in the overbought zone. I think she's gonna come down a little bit and cool off. So that's why I'm saying we was up in the overbought zone a little bit longer on this push up, but I do see us coming back down somewhere around the area, around right above the 50, staying bullish, and that'll give us a good push back up to get to these other that $1.40, that $1.50 range that I'm telling you about. The next higher targets that I see on the chart. As you can see on your MACD, your histogram's cooling off. Your MACD shot way up here. It's turning. It's still up there, showing bullish structure. Now it could sit up here a little while, and we reverse and go right on higher. But I do believe we're gonna come down a little bit on this hit on the MACD. But it's very bullish right now. But overall, it just needs to come and cool down a little bit. And you can see this on the, let's see where our spot, let's see if spot volume is starting. Excuse me. See how we would shot up and now we come down, we kind of consolidating, cooling off. Well, I think we're going to take another leg down and cool off a little bit more. And I just think that push up was just a liquidation spike. Trapped a lot of shorts. And now it could be sitting here in this range right here trying to get some longs to come in so they could take them out on the way down. Open interest is pulling back. And that's a sign, that's a bearish signal. We're not getting no bounce here on the open interest note. Not one short green candle here to show a break in this bearish momentum we got coming down. But we're still overall, SUI is bullish. But we're trying to get this healthy correction done. Maybe pull back a little bit, cool off a little bit, and we could sustain the same momentum and get the volume to pick back up and get buying to come back in here. Some of these sellers that sold at the top come back in and buy around $1.15, $1.18. I can see SUI going back to $1.40, up to $1.40 to $1.50, up in this range up here. So if you like the content, subscribe to the channel. Glad y'all come by. I want to say God bless you, and hit that like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Till then, later.